Hey everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here giving you guys another Pick 4 video, and today we're going to work on Pick 4 of Maryland. I have a really easy strategy I want to share with you guys, and even if you're outside of the state of Maryland, stay tuned because a lot of these tips and techniques can help you guys in your states as well. We're going to go ahead and get started. Using the example from July 18th midday, Maryland had a hit of 4338. And what I've done is I put it into a simple 3175 rundown. I know you guys are normally looking at me saying, she normally uses the 1, 2, 3, 4. I did use that, but I really like the 3175 for Maryland for this particular pattern or strategy, okay? So those that don't know how to count one out, it's really simple. You're going to plug in your number and you're going to add each number to the columns. So let's start with the first column, right? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. When you guys get to your 2-digit numbers, only use your ones place your 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Again, only use your ones place your 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. All right. Now, you know that you did it right because the number that you start with is going to be the number that you end with. Let's go to the next column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Keep going all the way down, guys, so you get your original number. Let's go to the next column. 7 plus 3 is 10. So only use your 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. Keep going all the way down till you get your original number. And 5, you're going to add 5s all the way down. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay. Only use your ones plus your 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Keep going all the way down, guys. Once you have your rundown written out, I want you to pay attention to this column right here. This is so important. You're looking for this number to repeat on the opposite end of the rundown. Okay, what do I mean? You see this 8 and 4? Nah, they don't match. 3 and 7? Nah. 0 and 8? 3 and 3? We got a winner. You see that I already went ahead and marked that for us. Okay, so whenever you see a double number, or it could be a mirror, and I'll show you that on an example. This is letting me know a couple of things, but we'll get to that in just a second. But this is around the area where you're going to start putting in your combinations for possible hits. So 3 and 3, but we also have the mirror version. 8. 8 and 3, guys, they're the same numbers, what we call mirror numbers, right? Make sure you guys, you newbies, write this down so you'll have it for reference when you do your workout. Okay, just know a 0 can be a 5, a 1 can be a 6, a 2 can be a 7, a 3 can be an 8, and a 4 can be a 9. Real simple, right? Cool. Now, going back to that 3 and 3, we're just going to start in that area first. I'm noticing, Maryland, that your first two numbers are right in between the boxes. Yeah. So the first two numbers could be 6 and 4. We're going to write those down. 6 and 4. Now, I noticed they like to stay to the left. Numbers above or below it on the right side. It can always change, but I'm just telling you, just to kind of keep an eye. Any number that touches a 3 or an 8, you might want to pay close attention to. So look at this. 6, 4, 7. It hits what? An 8. 3 and 8, they're the same number. You can also look at it 6, 4, 1. Look at that, because why? It hits an 8. I told you these numbers are very special. Pay close attention to them, okay? I'm noticing they like to stay more to the left. So if I had to narrow down and, just play on paper for a few days, backtrack this stuff, see what I'm talking about. But for right now, for the sake of the video, we're going to go 6, 4, 7. We're going to stay to that left side, 6, 4, 7. So that would be my first three numbers. Now, here's the cool part. Guess what the fourth number? The fourth number generally with this pattern is going to repeat one of these numbers. So I would start writing out using this 6, 4, 7. My first combination would be 6, 4, 6. I'm going to use the first one. Then I'm going to use the second number, 6, 4, 7, 4. Okay, and 6, 4, 7, 7. Okay, so these are the three combinations that you can use, but don't stay there. Look at your mirrors, your 8. Why? Because they may not want to play those. They may want to play those down here. Let's look at those. Let's put those together. So we got our doubles. Let's look for our first 2 numbers in between those boxes, 1 and 9. Okay. And we're going to just stay to the left side. So we're looking for a number up or down that has an 8 or 3. Look at this. Okay. Okay, that could be a 192, maybe a 196, but just for the sake of the video, we're going to just stay to the left side. Okay, so I will go 192, my first 3 numbers. Now, these numbers may repeat, right? I just said that. So we're going to go ahead and write those combinations out. So 1921, 1929. 1922. All right, we wrote all of them out. 6 options, right? Marilyn, I ain't playing with y'all. I ain't even playing with y'all. Guess what hit? Guess what hit that evening on July 18th? 1129. We have it as 1921. Bam. All right. And we have our first 3 numbers here. Okay. I know you're like, it doesn't repeat. It doesn't, you can even touch it here. Now, sometimes they'll have the 4th number near it, and sometimes it may not be. And I've just noticed with this technique, use your 3 numbers and it's repeating one of the numbers. Now I'm going to give you another hint why these doubles are so important. How did I know to choose doubles and not just as mirrors? Because we could have also did that. So like, for instance, this 647, we could have also played the mirrors of those of those numbers. We could have did 1, 9, and 2. And we could have put 6471, 6479, 6472. But why didn't I want to do that? I mean, you could do that. I would always do more than less to cover yourself. But if you're trying to condense these lists, I chose it because these are doubles. That's the answer, y'all. And I learned that from doing Ontario, Canada, pick 3. That's why I want you guys to start paying attention to these videos. Even if you're not in that state, you never know what tip or what kind of, strategy will help you in your area. That's why I said pay attention to those split numbers on your rundowns. They can give you a lot of information if you just pay attention. We got one more example. I want to make sure you understand the concept, okay? So we're going to go ahead to July 20th midday. All right. We did our rundown. The hit was 8355. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to what? Your last row here, and you're looking for its match. Okay. It could be its double or its double mirror. Let's see what happens this time. Y'all ready? All right. So let's see. I have here 5 and 0. Bam. But we got its mirror form. 5 and 0. Now, what is this telling me? I'm going to give y'all, I just told you. This telling me that that 4th number may be a mirror number instead of a double. Let's do the work. I told y'all, y'all ain't playing with y'all. Marilyn, I ain't even playing with y'all. Okay. So let's look for we'll start up here. We'll look for 7, 3, and we're looking for a 0 or 5 to hit the 3rd number. I like to stay on the left. I've just something I'm noticing. It may change, but just do your backtrack, okay? So 7, 3, look at this 5 right up here. So let's let me know, because there's no 5 or 0 under these 2 numbers. So 7, 3, 6. That would be my first 3 numbers. Now, that also saying the 4th number, one of these numbers are going to repeat. Are they going to repeat as itself as a double or a mirror? Yes. Try the mirrors. Now, I've seen it where it didn't quite do that. when you backtrack, you're going to start to understand the differences in the rundown. You'll probably pick up when to do this and when not to do this. Okay. I can't give you everything, but, Miss Floyd's going to do her best. So instead of just using the 736, we're going to do its mirrors. So we're going to write those mirrors up here. 7 and 2. Okay. 3 and 8. 6 and 1. So when we put our combinations together, we're going to use this as the fourth numbers. Y'all got that? All right. So we're going to go 7, 3, 6, 2. Okay. 7, 3, 6, 8. All right. And 7, 3, 6, 1. All right. Now, you guys can also go to the other side and do this real quick, right? Your 2, 8, 1, right? Because that's where this 0 is blocking that third number. Remember, I told you stay on your left side. And whatever number blocks, that's the number you're probably going to stay close to. So I would do 2, 8, 1. That's the mirrors, right? And then I want to also mirror these. You're going to do 7, 3, 6. Remember 7 and 2, 3 and 8, 1 and 6. Now this is our primary. So we're going to go 2, 8, 1, 7, 2, 8, 1, 3, 2, 8, 1, 6. Did y'all see that? Okay. So we got 6 options again. Not bad, right? Not bad. Maryland, I ain't playing with y'all. Guess what happened that evening on July 20th? 2, 3, 7, 6. We have it as 7, 3, 6, 2. And over here, we have it 6, 7, 3. Now look next to it. You have a 7. See? You have the 7, but we decided because these were mirrors to use this mirror version. And sometimes you may see it connect, and if you don't, that's okay. My thing is pay attention to those middles, find your blocking number, and go from there. Okay? I hope this was simple. Y'all, if I gave you some value today, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure that you guys are subscribing to the channel. Why? Things are picking up. I don't want anybody missing out. All right. But I'm not done with you, Maryland. I got your hot picks. Hold on. All right. Real quick, guys. We got them hot picks for Maryland. These are just my personal choices. If I was in Maryland, this is the numbers that I would play. I do not guarantee hits on this channel, so you play at your own risk, okay? And like I said, they don't always go draw to draw. You may have to do play your strategies a couple days out, backtrack, do your work. But for right now, I'm liking that 1144, 1141, 1149, 1146. I'm also liking that 6964, 6691, 6699, and 6696.